Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fiesta wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools like a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new wing mirror assembly. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. It's also helpful to know if your mirror is manual or electric, as this will affect the wiring steps. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Carefully use a trim removal tool to pry off the mirror glass itself, starting from the edges. Once the glass is off, you'll see the internal wiring. Disconnect any electrical connectors for features like heating or power adjustment. Finally, locate and unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the entire mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the 3 mounting bolts you saved earlier. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses, ensuring each connection is snug and correct. Finally, carefully snap the new mirror glass into its housing until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's secure. You're almost done. Now, perform some crucial final checks. Gently push and pull on the new mirror to ensure it's securely attached and doesn't wobble. If your mirror has electric adjustments or heating, turn on your vehicle and test these functions to confirm they work correctly. Finally, give the mirror surface a good clean for optimal visibility. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta wing mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.